Good morning friends. Today we want to start one exercise that is 2.4. So before we start exercise 2.4, let me discuss what we have completed. So in last lecture we have completed exercise 2.2 numerical means statement type sum, or we can say problem sum. Today again we want to discuss about the problem sum, that is exercise 2.4. So in exercise 2.4 there are 10 sum, but we want to discuss the sum which is useful, or we can say it is easy for understand, then we can do it. So first of all I want to explain that what the statement is. Important thing is what is the statement of it. So one question that is I want to discuss, that is question number 1. So in question number 1, what the important question statement is there that we have to read. So question is that Amina think a number. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. Amina think one number, that is x, and subtract it from 5 by 2. Subtract 5 by 2 from it. So subtract. If I want to subtract it, that is x minus 5 by 2. Subtract 5 by 2 from it. So x minus 5 by 2. Now what she is doing? She multiply the result by 8. Multiply by 8. Multiply by 8. So what we can get? 8x minus 5 by 2. Now further, the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she think. The result is 3 times. So 3 times x. So we can say 3x. So now question is in form of 8 in bracket x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Now if I want to open the bracket, then 8x minus 8 5s are 40 by 2 is equal to 3x. Now if we cancel it, that is 20. So 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. So 5x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 4. The number I get is 4. Hence answer is equal to 4. Clear? Again I explain. So these are all the statement type sum, and we have to convert. These are all the statement type sum, and we have to convert into an equation. So what the question say? Amina think a number. So let the number be x. Now subtract 5 by 2 from it. So I am subtract x minus 5 by 2. Again the result is multiplied by 8. So I have to write 8 in bracket x minus 5 by 2. Now the result is 3 times the number. So that is 3x. So now 8 in bracket x minus 5 by 2 bracket over is equal to 3 times a number. Now if I multiply or open it, 8 into x, that is 8x, 8 5s are 40 upon 2 is equal to 3x. I have to cancel this, that is minus 20. So 8x minus 20 is equal to 3x. Now simplify it, we can get answer 4. Hence we can say number is 4. So Amina think a number that is 4. Now we go for next sum. So mostly all the sum which are we doing at here, this is the textual based sum and related with exercise 2.4. Now next sum that we want to discuss. So when we are discussing the sum, you must open your textbook. You have to open your textbook and go through it. So it is easy for understanding. Question number 2. What is in question number 2? Again edit. A positive number is 5 times another number. Question is a positive number is 5 times another number. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. First is let the number be x. Now another number is 5 times. Another number is another number that is 5 times. So we can say 5x. So again I dictate the question. The positive number is 5 times the another number. Now 21 is added both the number. So 21 is added. 21 added both number. So what I have to do? I have to add 21 both the number. That is why x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. If I add both side 21. Now question is one of the new number is twice the other number. One of the new number is twice the other number. So what is new number? That is new number. Again, new number is twice the original number. Again, let the number be x, there is a one number. Another number is 5, that is called new number. Now 21 is what added to both the number. So I have to add x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Now the relation between these number, that the statement is one of the new number becomes twice the other number. One of the new number, that is new number, is twice the other number. So 2 in bracket x plus 21. Now we have to simplify and we can get number. So what the answer that we want to discuss? So if you simplify it, we can get some result. So 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 42. Now 5x minus 2x is equal to 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. Now if we simplify, we can get answer 3x is equal to 21. Therefore x is equal to 7. My answer is x is equal to 7. Then what are the number? So the number is, that is 7, and here 5 into 7, that is 35. The numbers answer, that is 7 and 35. One of the number is 7, another number is 35. So we are doing the sum which is easy to understand. Otherwise, important thing is that when the question is in form of statement, it is very difficult to understand the question. So again, the sum which are easy, that we are trying. Now I am doing the fifth sum. because it is easy. Now I hope that you have written the sum. Again read the question number 5th. 3 and 4 are digit number, so it should be explained on later on. Now you have to again, that is, again I say to you, that is Shobha's mother, question number 5. Question number 5. That is Shobha's mother present is 6 times Shobha's present age. So question is Shobhu's or Shubho, whatever we can translate. Shubho's mother present age is. So if I discuss Shubho's mother, so what I have to write? Let the Shubho's present age is x, then his mother present is what? It is 6 times, so 6x. So let Shubho's present age, that is x, then mother's present age, then mother present age, that is 6x. Mother present age is 6x. Only one statement we can convert, that Shubho's present is x, mother present is 6x. Now further, Shubho's age 5 years from now. What is the meaning of 5 years from now? 5 years from now means x plus 5. 5 years from now. 5 years from now. It means what? 5 years from now. That is x plus 5. 5 years from now, that is x plus 5. Now according to the question, 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's age. 1/3 of mother age. 1/3 of mother age. So what is mother age is? 6x. Therefore x plus 5 is equal to 1/3, in bracket I have to write 6x. Now if we simplify by 3 2s are, 3 2s are, so here 2x. So x plus 5 is equal to 2x. So x plus 5 is equal to 2x. Therefore 5 is equal to x. If I will shift 2x, it will be converted into x. Therefore Shubho's age is 5 years. Shubho's age is 5 years. And his mother age, so here we can write 5 years. And mother age is 6 into 5, that is 30 years. Mother age is 30 years and Shubho's age is 5 years. Again Shubho's present age is x year. Mother present age is 6 times, so 6x. 5 years from now, after 5 years, age of Shubho's, that is x plus 5. And his mother age is 1/3 of its mother age, 1/3 of. After 5 years, mother age is 1/3 of mother's age, Shubho's mother age. So x plus 5 is equal to 1/3 in bracket 6x. So x plus 5 is equal to 2x, 5 is equal to x. Clear? So I think these are all called the statement type sum. it must be understand it properly, then it is easy for it, otherwise it will be consume more time. So 10 sums are there. Out of 10 sums I have to complete 5 and other 5 you have to try it yourself. So now we are doing the 9th sum, that is grandmothers. So let me do this. Again I say to you, you have to try to solve the sum question number. So the sum which are easy or which is easily understandable, that we are doing. So grandfather, the sum is related with the grandfather. Grandfather is 10 times older than its granddaughter. So what I have to take? Let present age of granddaughter. Question number 9. Let granddaughter, let present age of granddaughter. So granddaughter, that is x. Let present age of granddaughter is x. Then grandfather age is then grandfather age is 10x, because question is 10 times. Question is grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54. He is also 54. Again, what the question is? He is also 54. Grandfather is 10 times of the granddaughter and his age is 54. So what I have to write? 10x is equal to, according to the condition 10x is equal to x plus 54. So 9x, or we can say 10x minus x is equal to 54. 9x is equal to 54. X is equal to 6 years. 9 6 are 54. So granddaughter is 6 years, and 10 into 6, that is 60 years. So grandfather age is 60 years and granddaughter age is 6 years. So you will imagine that it is a relation between the granddaughter and grandfather. Again I dictate or explain. Present age of granddaughter is x year. Grandfather is 10 times of his present age, and also grandfather present age is 54. So 10x is equal to x plus 54. And if we simplify, we can get 6 years. So granddaughter age is 6 years. Granddaughter age is 6 years and grandfather age is 60 years. I hope that you have to write this sum. I hope you have written it. Then we go for the next sum. So that is 10. Now I am doing the 10 sum. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Question number 10. Aman's let present Aman's age. Let present Aman's age, that is x. Aman's present age is x, and Aman's father is age is 3x. Aman's age is x and Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So Aman's son's age, that is x, and Aman's age is 3x, is equal to 3x. Aman's son's age is x, Aman's age is 3x. Now question is 10 year ago. What is the meaning of 10 year ago? That 10 year ago. So 10 years ago, that is x minus 10 and 3x minus 10. 10 year ago, Aman's age and son's age. Aman's age x minus 10 and his son's age 3x minus 10. Again, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Let the present age of Aman's son is x. So Aman's age is 3x. So Aman's son's age, and here Aman's age. It is Aman's son age, and Aman's age is 3x minus 10. Now relation is what? 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's, 5 times his son's age. So 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 10. Here is his father, that is Aman. Here it is son. So if we open the bracket, we can get answer. That is 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 50. 50 minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 3x. Therefore 40 is equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to 20 here. X is equal to 20 here. It means what? It means what? Aman's son age is 20. Aman's son age is 20 years and Aman age is 60 years. So again I explain it proper way. Present age of Aman's son age. Aman's son age is x. Aman's age is 3 times in a question. So we can say 3x. 10 years ago. So x minus 10. Aman's son's age. X minus 10. Aman's age, that is 3x minus 10. Because 10 years ago, it means I have to subtract 10 from both. That is son and Aman. Now after 5 years, the relation between Aman and his son is given. So after 5 years, Aman age is 5 times his son age. So 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 10. If I open the bracket, we can get value of x, that is 20 year. So Aman's age is 20 year and his father, that is Aman's son age is 20 year and Aman age is 60 year. Here there is a word father is not written, but Aman and his son is written. So son is smaller, that is 20 years and father is 60 year. One more sum, that is 8th sum. So out of 10, so I have completed 1, 2, 5 and 9 and 10. 1, 1 and 2 completed, that is 5th completed, that is 9 and 10. So 5 sums I have already completed. Now we trying for some example, because there are two important examples are there. One example is related with the Arjun and Shreya. So Arjun is twice old as Shreya. So that also we can do now. One example I am explaining. Important thing is try to do yourself. 5 sums I have completed, 5 other sums you have to complete yourself. If you have some doubt, you can also send the sum in WhatsApp to me. Now one example, that is 15th example I am doing, that is Arjun is twice old as Shreya. So Arjun I have to take as a x. Arjun, chalo. So relation is of what? That is Arjun is twice as old as Shreya. So what I have to write? Shreya age, I have to write x. Then Arjun I have to write 2x. Arjun is twice old as Shreya. 5 years ago means x minus 5 and 2x minus 5. 5 years ago x minus 5 and 2x minus 5. The relation is what? 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. 3 times. So 3 times. 3 times means what? 3 into x minus 5, and here I have to write 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 15. So 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 15 plus 5. So minus x equal to minus 10. So x is equal to 10 years. Who is x? That is Shreya. Shreya is 10 years old. Then Arjun is 20 years old. So here the relation between the two students is given. Here the relation between the two students is given. Shreya age, that is x 10 years, Arjun age, that is 2, that is 20. 5 years ago relation is x minus 5 and 2x minus 5. Relation, that is 5 years ago. Now what is the relation? 3 times. Arjun is 3 times of Shreya's age. So Arjun 2x minus 5 3 times Shreya. So bracket 3, in bracket 3 x minus 5 I have to write, and we open the bracket, we can get x is equal to 10. So I hope that you have understand all the sum perfectly. Now some hints related how to do other sum. So how the hints are given, that when 2-digit sums are there, we can write unit place x, then 10 place is 9 minus x. That way we can also do. And in 6 sum, the ratio is given. When ratio are given in 6 sum, the question is find the length and breadth of a rectangle. So ratio of length and breadth are given, that is 11:4. So we can use ratio, and by using ratio we have to find out x and y. While in one more sum, that is 9 sum, half of the herd of deer are grazing in a field and 3/4 of remaining are playing nearby. So first of all I have to take on that time total number of deer, I have to take x, half of it. So I have to write x by 2, that is called half. So x minus x by 2 and 3/4 of. So just some tough sums are there. So we can discuss related it. That is question number 9. So total deers I have to take as x, half of it total here I have to take as x, half of it, that is x by 2, and again half of it means x minus x by 2, 3/4 of x minus x by 2, and others are remaining in a ground, that is 9. 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number. So x is equal to x by 2 plus 3/4 are remaining of 3/4 are x minus x by 2. That is, if I want to ask x, that is total, x by 2, that is grazing. So remaining means x minus x by 2. 3/4 of x minus x by 2 plus 9. If you simplify it, you will get x is equal to 72. So total deers are 72. If you will solve this, what we have to do? 2, 4. So LCM is 4. If we have to multiply each term with the 4, so here 4x, here 2x, again here 4 cut. So if you open it and we simplify it, then we can get the answer, that is 72. So when exams are continue, you have to give the exam on time to time and submit your paper in time to time. So in now next lecture we go for exercise 2.6. Then we have to complete the chapter. I hope you go through all the lecture in detail, and what the rules we have to follow, that is SMS. Sanitize, mask and social distance you have to follow. Thank you.